Team Prizm. Our store is in the Grand Rapids area of Michigan. West Michigan area, I guess. Alright. 2015 Elite Extra Edition and the bonus box of 2014 Prizm Baseball. Get random.org pulled up here. Hopefully we can get that Immaculate Football filled up while we're doing this break. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Oops. Oops. Four teams: Ravens, Browns, Eagles, and Redskins. Didn't somebody say they grabbed Baltimore? Oh. Immaculate's full. Nice. There we go, fellas. Pretty sure it's full, guys. Nice. All right, here we go. 2015 Elite and 2014 Prizm. Barry, you like this stuff? Good luck, everyone. What's up, Frank? Oh, dumping packs. Guess I shouldn't stack them that high, huh? Chicken butt. I can so see Frank doing that. Vlad Guerrero Jr. Hype. Travis Blankenhorn. 16 of 100. Going to the Twins. Benjamin J.A.M. Next Monday, you guys will have to remind me we can turn on Raw. Or whatever that is on Monday nights. Base. Oh, he's on the plane. That sucks. Tyler Nevin. Die cut auto. 22 of 75. Going to the Rockies. Neil, K-O-L. Oh, that sucks. DJ Stewart. Die cut auto. 65 of 100. Going to the Orioles. Vicky, F-O-U. Yeah, that sucks. Domingo Acevedo. I believe that's the Yankees. Barry, W-O-L. There you go, Barry. So Hot box. Kyle Martin. Prospect auto going to the Phillies. Barry, W-O-L. Quite a few hits already. Soroka, International Pride. Michael Matuella, Prospect Auto going to the Rangers. Benjamin, J-A-M. Here you go, Ben. Mikey White, 190 of 200. Nice die cut going to the A's. Barry, W-O-L. Kyle Schwarber, Collegiate Legacy. They're really going into a third overtime in this game? Holy cow. Josh Graham, Prospect Auto. Going to the Braves. Barry, W-O-L. There's a lot of hits. A lot of hits in this box. Nice. Franklin Barreto, Prospect Status. Jarrell Cotton, Prospect Auto. Believe that's going to be the Dodgers. It is Benjamin, J-A-M. Carson Fulmer, die cut, 115 of 150. Got to be the Cubs. Barry, W-O-L. 35? Yeah, I think ESPN, sorry. It's 35 here, but it's ESPN. Arcia, height. Third overtime. Oklahoma, Kansas. 97-94 Kansas right now. It's been a really good game. Jordan Butler, 18U jersey. That's a look up. Probably a random. Jeez, Mitchell Hansen, Prospect Auto. Another one for the Dodgers. Benjamin, J-A-M. Huh. So base pack, fast pack of Elite. Max Post, I think. 106 of 150 die cut going to the Braves. Barry, W-O-L. Couple base. We'll randomize that jersey at the end. That was a nice box. A lot of hits in there. Yep, I'll open them after this break. Yeah, all packs are open live. We break Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So if you grab packs either after I'm done breaking on Mondays or Tuesdays or Thursdays or whatever, I'll break them the next day we're on live. So you can grab packs all weekend too, Saturday, Sunday, and I'll break them Monday. We have our live break app. You'll see a link at the top of our webpage. It says live break app. If you click on that down towards the bottom, There's a little tab that you can click on that says cap. That will show you the order of the packs and where you're at. Jacoby Ellsbury. Nice purple. 23 of 99 going to the Yankees. Barry, W-O-L. You got a Troy Tulowitzki auto. Nice hit. Going to the Rockies, Neil, K-O-L. Real nice hit. Lester, Prizm. Victorino, golden leather die cut. Nice powder cards. I'm not going to be able to open these packs in a minute here. Derek Jeter, top of the order Prizm. Going to the Yankees. Barry, W-O-L. Not numbered. Chad Bettis, Prizm. Will Myers, Diamond Dominance. Still got one more auto we're looking for. Ooh. How about that? Masahiro Tanaka, Rookie Rain. I believe that's a gold. 5 of 10. How about that? Going to the Yankees. Barry, W-O-L. That's a nice card there. Masahiro Tanaka, gold. Nice card. Love it when we get golds. Yep, that is correct. Michael Waka, USA. Mark Trumbo, the blue 42. Numbered 3 of 42. Going to the Diamondbacks. Benjamin, J-A-M. Yeah, that's a nice card. That Tanaka. You can get a pretty good chunk of change for that one, I'm sure. Castellanos, Rookie Rain. Should have one more auto. We've only seen one. Verlander chasing the Hall. And there it is. Wilmer Flores. Rookie auto Prizm. That one's not numbered. Going to the Mets. Neil. K-O-L. (103-102) Oklahoma with 3 minutes left in the third overtime. Eric Hosmer, USA. Couple base. All right, let's do this Jordan Butler jersey random. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Steven, QUI, getting the Jordan Butler jersey. There we go. That'll do it for the Elite And Prizm random.